I am K. Gaudamuthu of ECA here to present type of tariff. Types of electrical tariff. Some of the most important type of tariffs are as follows: flat demand rate tariff, straight line meter rate tariff, block meter rate tariff, two-part tariff, power factor tariff, seasonal rate tariff, peak load tariff, and three-part tariff. Flat demand rate tariff. The flat demand rate tariff is expressed by an equation C equal to AX. In this type of a tariff, the bill of the power consumption depends only on the maximum demands of the load. The generation of the bill is independent of the normal energy consumption. This type of a tariff is used on the street light and an irrigation purpose, etc., where the working hours of an equipment are known. The metering system is also used for calculating such a type of tariff. Straight line meter rate tariff. This type of tariff is given by the equation of C equal to By. The generation of the bill depends on the energy consumption of the load. Thus, different types of bills are generated by the consumers. The charges of the different types of consumption depends on the load and diversity factors of the load. For example, the tariff for a small device is less as compared to one power load. Hence, different meters are used for measuring the power consumption. Block meter rate tariff. In this type of tariff, the energy consumption is distinguished into blocks. The pre-unit tariffs of an individual block is fixed. The price of the blocks is arranged in the decreasing order. The first block has the highest cost and it goes on and decreasing accordingly. The price and the energy consumption are divided into three blocks. The first few units of energy at a certain rate, the next at a slightly lower rate, and the remaining units are very lower rate. Two-part tariff. In such type of tariff, the total bill is divided into two parts. The first one is a fixed charge and the second is a running charge. The fixed charge is because on the maximum demands, and the second charge depends on the energy consumption by the load. Fifth one, power factor tariff. The tariff which depends on the power factor of the load is known as an power factor. kVA maximum depends on the tariff. It is also a two-part tariff. kWh and kVARH tariff. The bill is calculated by the sum of the kVARH and kWh rating of the load. Seasonal rate tariff. Such type of a tariff measures the high price in kWh used by the consumers in one complete year. It is also known as a one complete year. It is also known as a on-peak season tariff. If the low consumption occurs in the year, then it is called as an off-peak season tariff. Peak load tariff. Such type of tariff is similar to peak load tariff. The only difference in the seasonal tariff measures the peak hours of a year and hence the peak tariff calculation it for the day. If the power consumption is high, then it is known as a peak tariff, and for a low power consumption it is called as a peak load tariff. The peak load and seasonal tariff both are used for reducing the ideal or standard by capacity of the load. Three-part tariff. The three-part tariff in the form of C equal to AX plus BY plus D, and it is applied to the big consumers. Thank you.